Oh my god, dude. Should we steal this truck too, or what? Goddamn birds. Damn, dude. Fast and the Furious to the max. All it's missing is some fucking rims.
Engine intake, headers. Hell yeah, dude. Alright. About to get to work. Yeah, good thing I didn't buy this.
Oof.
Oofda.
Yeah, I got the big oof.
Oh yeah. City Tranit's mine. Alright.
Let's do this.
It's actually almost ready to come out. We got one bolt here, 2 bolts in the back, and then there's one underneath, and then the whole thing should drop out after we undo these 2.
Yeah.
And we didn't have to cut the exhaust.
Yeah, because
it was just broken already.
that was a plus.
So yeah.
This thing's going pretty smooth this time, actually.
Yeah. Okay, so I think I got it all situated enough for a first start here. Just got oil in it. I have the fuel pressure regulator hooked up, but I don't have the solenoid wired up. And that's kind of like the only thing that I don't have wired up other than the starter, obviously. I'm just going to touch the starter with some power and hopefully that starts it up. So it's definitely getting fuel. I can hear that. Well, definitely fired. There it went. Alright, we're just gonna do that one more time, guys, because I fucked it up a little bit, but I gotta hold the throttle open again. I got a little too fucking happy. All right. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. There she is. There she is. All right, so obviously I need my fuel pressure regulator to keep it running. But other than that, she runs. This is probably all the longer I should be running anyways, because I don't have any of my coolant shit hooked up. Fuck, it sounded good though. Alright, and now it's time for me to do my job of taking this all apart and whatnot. I should probably turn off this fuel pump. Oh, God, that's a fucking relief. All starting up on the stock Lancer computer for now, so. God damn! Woo! All that work paid off. All that work paid off. Yeah! Oh yeah! It runs good! So, it's pretty simple so far. We just got a 2.4 4G64 of a 2001 Eclipse, and we are running a 20G turbo and a 38 mil external wastegate with just a straight dump off of it. We have a 1G tubular style manifold from eBay. It's like a $120 manifold, and the only thing you need to do to make it fit is to just notch these bolt holes on the outside edge out. For your coolant feed for a bigger 20G style turbo, you're just want to come off of the heater core back here, and then use just a T is all I did. Came off there with the T with the 1/4-inch hose. We upgraded the clutch to a 350 horsepower spec clutch. It is just a carbon Kevlar clutch, non-puck style, so it is pretty straightable. We have the original OZ Rally Slave cylinder. When I changed the starter, it broke the bell housing out right there, but I did take it to a machine shop and he said it was good to go. It shouldn't affect the structural integrity. He did look at all my motor mounts to redo them as solid motor mounts, because that's one thing that you run into with this car when doing the swap is you're going to need a custom motor mount over here, which I'm just using 1/4-inch steel brackets here with the stock Eclipse mount flip backwards, and then you're using, you can see it back there, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but we're tapping into the oil pressure sending unit for oil feed, and we just drilled a hole in the oil pan for a return. Then we got a Greddy type RS style blow-off valve and a cheap $200 intercooler Evo 8 setup from eBay. And I think that's pretty much it as far as it goes. Okay, ready?
Oh shit! I can barely slow us down, bro.
That was looking badass, bro.